Imagine a world where creatures look like they belong on another planet, not Earth. A place so dark, so cold, and so mysterious, yet teeming with life. Welcome to the deep ocean, where some of the most bizarre, alien-like animals live. Scientists are still discovering species that seem impossible. Get ready to explore creatures so strange you won't believe they're real. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet most of it remains unexplored. Below 200 meters, sunlight barely reaches, and below 1,000 meters, it's pitch black. In these zones, strange beings survive in conditions that would kill most surface creatures. Today, we'll meet real animals that could almost be mistaken for visitors from another world. First, the phantom jellyfish, Stygiomedusa gigantea. This enormous jelly has a bell up to 1 meter wide. Its trailing mouth arms can reach up to 10 meters, moving like ghostly ribbons in the water. Unlike typical jellyfish, it doesn't sting. Instead, it captures prey by entangling it with those long arms. It lives in the deep waters between 1,000 and 4,000 meters, a realm almost impossible for humans to explore. Scientists rarely see it alive, and when they do, its otherworldly movements astonish even the most experienced deep-sea explorers. Despite its size, it moves silently, almost floating, making it one of the ocean's most mysterious predators. Next, meet the barrel-leaf fish. Its head is nearly transparent, like a glass dome. Inside, you can see its tubular eyes, which can rotate independently. These eyes allow the barrel-eye to track prey above, while its body stays motionless below. It lives in the twilight zone, about 600 to 800 meters deep, where sunlight barely penetrates. Imagine having a clear skull showing your brain and eyes. That's what this fish looks like. It is incredibly sensitive to bioluminescent signals, helping it detect even the faintest glimmers from tiny prey. Truly, the barrel-leaf fish is one of the ocean's most alien-looking inhabitants. Now, the goblin shark, sometimes called a living fossil. With its flattened, elongated snout and jaws that can shoot forward like a trap, it seems almost like a creature from science fiction. It roams the deep slopes around the world, using electrosensitive organs in its snout to detect prey in complete darkness. Its pinkish skin, translucent fins, and protruding jaws make it one of the ocean's most bizarre predators. Goblin sharks have existed for over 125 million years, surviving since the age of dinosaurs. So when you see one, you're looking at a real-life ancient alien of the deep. Then there's the viperfish. This slender predator has enormous fangs that stick out even when its mouth is closed. It lives between 200 and 5,000 meters deep and uses bioluminescent photophores along its body to attract prey or communicate. The viperfish can survive in pitch-black environments, ambushing prey with lightning-fast strikes. Its terrifying appearance, combined with its stealth and speed, makes it a true alien of the deep sea. One of the most poetic deep-sea creatures is the vampire squid, Vampiroteuthis infernalis. Despite its name, it is neither a true squid nor an octopus. It thrives in oxygen-poor zones where most animals cannot survive. Its cloak-like webbing connecting its arms along with glowing photophores gives it an eerie, flowing silhouette that appears almost supernatural. It moves slowly, drifting along currents, conserving energy, and feeding on marine snow, a mix of dead plankton, mucus, and debris, rather than hunting actively. This delicate, alien-like appearance makes it one of the most mesmerizing deep-sea animals. Not all alien-looking creatures are fish. Meet the giant isopod, a crustacean that resembles a huge pill bug. It can grow up to 1 meter long and has a hard, armored shell protecting it from predators. These scavengers roam the seafloor in cold, deep waters and feed on carcasses that sink from above. With jointed legs and a segmented body, they move slowly but steadily, looking more like a miniature tank than a natural animal. Giant isopods highlight the sheer variety of alien forms in the ocean's depths. There are even stranger inhabitants. Peacock squids that flash dazzling colors with photophores. Blob sculpins that seem to have no fixed shape. tube worms near hydrothermal vents that survive without sunlight, relying entirely on chemosynthesis. Every deep-sea expedition uncovers species we never imagined, reminding us how little we know about Earth's largest habitat. The ocean's alien-like creatures are proof that life can adapt in ways we are only beginning to understand. As we finish our journey into the ocean's depths, it's amazing to see how alien this world truly is. Creatures like ghostly jellyfish, transparent-headed fish, and glowing vampire squids survive in darkness, extreme pressure, and scarce food. They remind us that life adapts in extraordinary ways. These animals also show the fragility of deep-sea ecosystems, which humans must protect. The ocean is full of mysteries, and each discovery teaches us more about the resilience and creativity of life on Earth.